cash flow statement for this problem. So they have asked you only cash flow from operating activities, whereas I am going to prepare the entire cash flow statement. So first let us begin. You have to write up the heading. You have to write up the heading as cash flow statement. Okay. Cash flow statement of that particular company's name. Cash flow statement of particular company's name. Mention the heading of ABC Limited, So one column will be your particulars column, and then your amount column, and the next column will be your outer column amount. So the first item will be your net profit. Net profit. So your net profit amount, it will not be given in the question, but you have to find out from your balance sheet. Profit and loss account, they have given the both the dates, no opening and closing balance. The difference of that is known as the opening balance. So 16,000 with that 10,000, if you subtract, no, you will get 6,000. That 6,000 amount you have to mention here. Okay. So now next will be certain items you have to add. What are the items means? Transfer to general reserve if you are getting. Then the transfer to general reserve, you have to add it up. Like this, if you get any provision for taxation, all those, no, you have to add. Okay. Now if you see in this question, you have transfer to general reserve, that is 10,000. 60 minus 50, 10,000 you have. So that one you have to add over here. Okay. So now nothing other items here. So with this we can total up, and this amount is known as 16,000, which is your operating profit. Sorry, net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Extraordinary items. Okay. So with this amount, you have to further add your depreciation, your goodwill written off, or loss on sale of fixed assets, anything if you are getting. Okay. So if you see in this question, no, there is no depreciation, nothing is there. Okay. If you have those kind of items, goodwill like that, then that items you have to add up and show. Now nothing is there. You can either show as nil everything. Okay. Or straight away also you can mention this item as operating profit before working capital changes. Na? Like that you can show. Okay. Depreciation, all those things, goodwill written off, edadu irunda you can show. Goodwill written off. Okay. Here you can show the amount. If it is there means, or else you can straight away show, and this amount is known as operating profit. Operating profit before working capital changes. Okay. So what is the amount now? 16,000 only. If you have, you will add up all these. If it is not there, here also you can mention the operating profit before working capital changes. So with this, no, you will add increase in current liability, decrease in current asset, and then decrease in current liability, increase in current asset. If you find any items, no, you will add and subtract. Okay, so let us do fast. Increase in current liability item edavadhu irundal, you will just add here. Increase in current liability. Just go through the question, anything if you have. Okay, so let us move to the question. Bills payable increase, creditors also increase. Both you have to show increase in current liability. Be specific. Creditors 10,000 you have to show. Bills payable 2,000 you have to show. So here I will show as creditors and then bills payable. Okay, 10,000, 2,000. If you have anything, no, if you want, you can mention that bracket FD in the 10,000 on the 2,000 FD on the also you can mention that one. Okay, so now you have to add these, all these, and then you have to see whether any decrease in current asset is also there. If you see stock debtors, இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான் current asset. இது எல்லாமே fixed asset. Cash எடுக்க கூடாது. Prepaid expenses decrease ஆயிருக்கு. Decrease in current asset subtract தான் பண்ணணும். So stock debtors, these two items only. That is decrease, that is increase. Okay, so decrease in increase in current assets subtract பண்ணுவோம். Stock on debtors. இது prepaid expenses, decrease in current asset, இத மட்டும் தான் நம்ம எடுப்போம். So decrease in current asset, அதையும் தான் நம்ம add பண்ணணும். So here also again plus you can mention decrease in current asset. Under that only prepaid expenses. So that difference amount 15,000 minus 14,000, no, 1,000 rupees. Adu mattum we can show. That only we can show. And final result idukku appuram edume kediyadu. Increase in idu current asset mattum da irukku. So we need not mention anything here. So that's it items. So increase in current asset. So only that item has to be mentioned. So you can add up all these 16 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3, 1 is 26, 28, 29, 29,000 you have to add. Now with this amount only you have to subtract your increase in current asset, which we can discuss in the next session.